Christian. I promise to love you, to care for you, to support you every day, and to remind you that life is good and will always be good as long as we have each other. I promise to be by your side through the most difficult times and to celebrate with you in our happiest moments.
To be in love is a nice thing to experience of a man to a woman. Vice versa, to a woman to a man. And to get married is the best decision you make. So, congratulations sa courage na ginawa nyo para humarap sa dambana ng Diyos at merong pagpapalang kalakip ito.
Ever since I met you, I already know that you have a kind heart. You're patient, loving, and humble. Sa maliliit na bagay, you always express your love and care for me. And that's how I know you're someone I'd love to spend the rest of my life with.
After a few dates natin at pag-uusap sa pag-share mo ng mga kwento sa buhay, sa mga gusto mo at hindi, lumalim ang nararamdaman ko sa'yo. Nagustuhan ko ang pakikisama mo, matatag, masiyahin, maalaga, at kagandahan ng mga ngiti mo. Naging klaro agad ako sa iyo na nililigawan kita at pakasalan pagdating ng panahon.
Naniniwala ako na ang Diyos ang nagtalaga ng inyong pagmamahalan at kasama doon ang Diyos ang siyang magbibigay ng inyong pangangailangan.
I got these fresh eyes, never seen you before like this. My God, you're beautiful. It's like the first time when we opened the door for we got used to usual. It might seem superficial, stereotypical man. You dress up just a little and I'm like, oh damn. So suddenly I'm in love with a stranger. I can't believe that she's mine. Now all I see is you with fresh eyes, fresh eyes.
I want to love you, I want to love with you, and I want to live with you. Yan yung tatlong word na masarap marinig sa ating kapartner. So I hope and I pray na itong tatlong ito dadalhin ninyo sa inyong panghabang buhay pagsasama.
Jeline, Geraldine, baby, nagkaroon tayo ng tampuhan, pag-aaway at misunderstanding. Mahirap ipaglaban ang mga tama ko kasi sa huli ako rin ang mali. Pero yan ang dahilan bakit hindi ko sumuko sa'yo. Ikaw kasi ang nagbigay saya, kulay at direksyon ng buhay ko. Minahal kita ng sobra dahil dyan.
So suddenly I'm in love with a stranger. I can't believe that she's mine. Now all I see is you with fresh eyes, fresh eyes. So suddenly I'm in love with a stranger. I can't believe that she's mine. Yeah, and now
Geraldine, pinapangako ko sa'yo na lagi kong ipapaalala na mahal kita, na hindi ka nag-iisa dahil dalawa na tayo. At gagawin ko ang lahat para sa'yo at sa bubuhay nating pamilya. I love you, Jeline. Ito ang date to marry na pangarap ko at natupad na.
Today, I give you all of my heart, my strength, my flaws, and my forever. I love you and I can't wait to spend the rest of my days with you.
so suddenly I'm in love with a stranger. I can't believe that she's mine. Now all I see is you with fresh eyes, fresh eyes. So suddenly I'm in love with a stranger. I can't believe that she's mine. Yeah. And now all I see is you with fresh eyes, fresh eyes.
Noong nakilala kita, may patomboyish ka pa. Very short hair with jacket, para kang nakasali sa bandang tumuduwit na parang ages. At nang magkayaan na nga tayo magkaraoke, nahiya na akong kumanta pagkatapos mong bumirit. Ang galing mo kasi.
she got big getting under and nothing's better than doing nothing together. Now she got a toothbrush as a microphone. She loved it up the Rolling Stones. I'm the last one to stop her. Can't believe it. I got her. We get so close, kissing like Eskimos. A little bit much, I know I do. Isn't she crazy, crazy beautiful? Isn't she strange, strange and wonderful? And I think I love her more than I even understand. Okay, she got a classic style, it's all her own. A smile you can hear through the telephone. And she says she's a rebel, but she's way too sentimental. She's precious even when she's mad, gets angry and I start to laugh. And I know that it's nothing, she's just pushing the buttons. She
Dapat may love and respect lahat para maging masaya sila. Ako lang away-away.
She crazy, crazy beautiful. Isn't she strange, strange and wonderful? And I think I love her more than I even understand. Isn't she
Magpakabait ka sa asawa mo, mahalin mo, at mag-focus lang kayo sa inyong buhay para kayo ay maging masaya at maging successful. Yun ang aming dasal sa iyo.
Tama kayo na everyday lang para maayos ang pagkakita.
She's a little bit wild, a little bit mad, a little bit beautiful. Wild, a little bit bad, a little bit and I never can know it too well. Oh, still I never want anyone else. Isn't she crazy?
Hi, Jeline. See you. See you mamaya. See you later. So, tingin mo ako ba to?
Mamaya, huwag ka malilate.
Sige. Try ko.
Abangan mo ako doon.
Crazy, crazy.